In this video, we will review how to install Minicom and how to connect your development platform to your Linux machine. Make sure you have your development platform connected to your Linux machine before beginning. Let's start by opening a terminal window and installing Minicom. Once this is completed, let's find out where your platform is connected to. In a terminal window, run the dmesg command and look for your TTY connections. In this video, we have a device connected at TTY USB 1. Your connection may be different, so select the proper TTY connection for your device. Run the Minicom command and select the serial port setup. In this menu, select the proper TTY connection, bitrate, and flow control, and exit the menu. If you have successfully configured Minicom, you should be able to see your board's output logs on your screen. If you are unable to see anything, repeat these steps and select the proper TTY connection.